So I've done like the Uber Eats ride share side of the game on and off since about 2018 when I first got laid off, and I realized, oh damn, I need more than just one stream of income, damn near more than 2 streams of income. You need 8 streams of income. But what I realized lately, now that I've been going way harder in my online business, probably the last year or so, taking it super serious and actually believing is this rideshare stuff, depending on location, it's becoming a true 9 to 5. Very stressful, especially when it gets colder. But even when it's hot, it's just a lot of work for the money. Like, I know some places that's busy, you're probably running it up, but usually if you're in a busy location, the cost of living is even more. But it's just like eventually you'll wake up and anticipate being financially free, but more importantly, having your schedule back. Because that's the biggest thing that I realize is you want that time, man. You really want to be able to do what you want when you want. And a lot of times when you look up, when you're working a job, it seems like you need a lot of money, but when you actually look at the bills, look at the expenses, look at the wants, it's not a lot of money. It's just you're making it in a more hard way, if that makes sense. You're working so hard for the money. When you spend it, it just seems like, damn, it's gone already. If you were making it more abundantly, meaning like when someone watched the video, when someone went to the website and they just decided to buy, you made $75, $150, $200, $500, $700 in a day, you will look at money a little better. That's what we call internet money. But rideshare is a great start if you're trying to get independent. Like if you're trying to escape that 9 to 5 race, or even if you're just trying to add something to that 9 to 5 race. But most people watching this video, I feel like they're trying to get away from the 9 to 5 race. Just simply because outside, I guess the benefits is, to me, a job, the best part of it is the health benefits. Let's just be honest. Besides that, it's stressing you out. It's actually causing you health problems. It's actually stressing you out to the point where you don't even want to live, really. Like, you don't want to live your life like you're supposed to live your life. You're just confined and overthinking all the time. All the time. You have so much anxiety. You set 5 alarm clocks. You get up with this agony feeling, and it's just like, damn, guess what? It doesn't end. Even sometimes when you're 67, it's still going. And it's like, if you're 30, 40, younger, and you're nowhere near retirement, can you imagine trying to get to retirement with everything you got going on now? Can you imagine, man? And that's why I feel like everyone should have an online side hustle. Like I said, let it take you to whatever point you want in life. Maybe it's going to fund another business model. Maybe it's going to actually be that thing for you. Maybe it's going to give you that freedom to do some other stuff you wanted to do. Draw, music, art, acting, digital cinematography. Maybe to allow you go back to school. Let it be the vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Let it be the vehicle. And like now I'm doing a thing where I'm not doing so many professional videos, so much, how-to tutorial style. I'm just recording, being a YouTuber, because another great source of income is YouTube, and it's a place that you can be yourself and do what you like and love to do and get paid for it. Like, a lot of people can't anticipate this type of lifestyle. A lot of people can't anticipate and think that they can actually have some freedom when it comes to money, because we've been working so hard for it. It's just been impossible to think, hey, I can actually make a living without doing much. It's possible. You're watching people do it every single day. You're spending hours on TikTok, hours on YouTube, and you're watching your favorite entertainer, and every view, every like is being compensated to them. That's what you got to understand. You're helping people get compensated, so you should understand that people can help you be compensated. So it's like we need to turn our minds around from being an everyday consumer and be on the accounts receivable side. That's very king. Like everyone's not gonna want to do it. This video is not for everybody, But I know many of you just need to wrap your mind around it. You need to be in an arena where you see it's possible. Um, and that's why you want to make sure you're following this channel, watching my older videos, and even surfing my website. You know, I got full body links. I actually just released a free video training on how to get into the mindset of online, make money, have that mindset, have that strategy, and even 2 offers that I recommend everyone starting with, and even how to make your first video online. I have so much education in this free training, and all I ask for is a name and email. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I want you guys to have this same storefront up and running for you. So whether you're Instacarting, Ubering, or whatever it is, you can have this store running for you 24/7 and record either your Uber journey, and you can bridge people into make money online space like I'm doing now, or you can just talk about making money online. You can have a separate channel just talking about making money online, your start, what you've learned, etc. Because people are waiting for this solution, man. They're waiting for this solution.